Okay guys, so I'm rebuilding this 1999 RM 250 and the rear wheel is a total bust. Like the rim is cracked, the hub is the wrong one. So I decided to go and, instead of rebuilding one, to buy a pair of KKE out of eBay. This is how it came. The box delivered at my house. Signature required. They go for about $5.50 for the pair. They come with the spacers and also the nuts for the rim lock. And let's take a look at them. So let's get the rear wheel. Okay, they do look really nice. So I got this one with the gold hub and gold rims with black spokes and black nipples. So let me set them on the side and we can take a closer look at it. Okay, so the hub is definitely anodized. It looks good, good quality, good finish. It comes with spacers and the inner spacer and the wheel bearings. I don't see any flaw, any problems with the anodizing, and the hub looks very similar to a Tusk. If you saw one, actually looks exactly the same, just comes with KKE. Okay, the rims are, so far they look tight. I'm gonna check them all, of course. The rim though, this is for a Suzuki, an old Suzuki, so I was looking for the gold. The rim, I'm not sure if it's anodized or if it's powder coating. Looks more like powder coating to me than anodized. You can see here it has it's not that light yellow. It's a very strong gold color, kind of a satin flat finish. Hope you can see here. Let's focus it a little better here. But it is a pretty good looking wheel, that's for sure. So I'm going to show you comparing to the old XL rim that is cracked, and you can see the difference on the color and why I think this is powder coating. So of course this one is faded, but you can see side by side there is quite a difference in finish. See, this one is very faded. You see, this is definitely a lighter yellow. Could be the age. This one is no Takasago rim. Right, you can see here. And has a big crack right there on both sides. So this is totally toasted. Now, when I look at the price, of getting the rim and a hub on eBay, because that bike over there came actually with a Kawasaki hub that is from a KX 1998, so completely gone, would probably set me back at least $200 if I get new spokes and everything, $250 minimum. That's going with like the cheapest Tusk rim I could get, a good deal on eBay. So this one, if you want to get only the rear wheel, this would be $300. So I said, why not? It's an old bike, an expensive bike. I don't want to spend like $1,200 on a pair of rims, so that's what we have. Here the front rim, you see, comes with little plastic to protect during transport. I heard some good things, some bad things. At the end, I spoke with a few people that actually bought it and it's been using, and they say no problem so far. I don't think it's going to be any different than Tusk impact rims or Warp 9s. I didn't weight them, but in my opinion, if you have a older bike or you don't want to spend a lot of money, definitely it's worth a try. Okay, I hope you guys like the video. If you want to leave a comment, question, I'll be happy to answer. So when I finish this one, put on the bike, I'll update and send another video with the durability and how it goes. Okay.